Every structure begins long before it rises, in the strength of its smallest components. In a world built on precision and performance, reliability is not a choice, it is the foundation. Established in 1994 in Dubai's renowned Sabka hardware market Deira, Al Wasif Building Materials Trading Company, LLC, has grown into a leading name in industrial supply. From its early days to today, supported by a 100,000 square foot warehouse in Al Quoz, Al Wasif has built a legacy rooted in commitment, quality, and service. In today's fast-moving construction and industrial landscape, delays cost more than time, and quality defines outcomes. Al Wasif stands at the center of this ecosystem, ensuring uninterrupted supply, dependable performance, and materials you can rely on every time. Because in critical applications, there is no room for compromise. As importers, exporters, and stockists, Al Wasif delivers a comprehensive range of industrial and construction essentials. From high-tensile fasteners and precision-engineered hardware to rigging solutions, cutting tools, welding equipment, and safety gear, every product is carefully sourced, rigorously selected, and readily available, ensuring strength, safety, and performance across every application. Serving contractors, engineers, fabricators, and industrial operators across construction, infrastructure, manufacturing, and maintenance sectors. Al Wasif delivers more than products. It delivers reliability at scale. With an efficient logistics network and customer-first approach, supply is always seamless wherever it's needed. Behind every landmark, every structure, every success are materials that perform without failure. Al Wasif is proud to be part of that foundation, supporting growth, enabling safety, and strengthening the region's future. Al Wasif Building Materials Trading Company, LLC, building trust, delivering strength, powering progress. Al Wasif is not just a name, it's a brand